Want to keep Facebook installed but remove it from view? Android lets you hide certain apps without uninstalling them. This is a great option if you want a cleaner app drawer, reduce distractions, or keep the app private from anyone who uses your phone. Hiding Facebook does not remove your account, erase your data, or stop the app from being installed. You can always make it visible again whenever you need it. Unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Touch and hold an empty area of the screen for a few seconds until the home screen options appear. This menu allows you to customize different aspects of your phone's appearance. From the available options, tap Settings. On most Android devices, especially Samsung phones, this option is displayed with a small gear icon. It contains settings related to the home screen and app visibility. Scroll through the settings until you see Hide Apps on home and app screens. Tap this option to open the list of installed applications that can be hidden. Browse the list of apps and locate Facebook. Tap the app once to mark it as selected. A checkmark or highlighted icon will indicate that Facebook is ready to be hidden. Tap Done at the bottom of the screen. Your phone will immediately hide Facebook from both the home screen and the app drawer. The application is still installed, so your account, messages, notifications, and saved data remain safe. If you ever want Facebook back, simply return to the same Hide Apps menu, deselect Facebook, and tap Done again. The app will instantly reappear without requiring a new installation or login. You have now successfully hidden Facebook on your Android device without deleting it, giving you a cleaner and more organized phone while keeping the app available whenever you need it.